Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. Tuesday, January 21st, bringing you your morning coffee. Big news out there this morning, beans. As you guys can probably take a look at the screens, beans are down about 17.5 cents. We saw a nice run for the last couple weeks, but there are some rumors out there right now that are floating around. China may have switched some cargoes from U.S. to South America. We have not confirmed that as of yet, but that is floating around the floor this morning, putting some pressure on these beans. But also, things that we were focusing on before, rain. It was going to be really hot, and we were going to see this dry spell. Well, they did get some rain in Argentina. Yesterday, 5-day forecast has got 75% coverage as well, so they put a little bit more rain in the extended forecast as well, and they've taken out some of the heat. Conditions seem to improve. We'll see if they keep that, though. That's going to be pretty important. But the main thing as far as beans this morning, did China come in and cancel some beans? We'll have to see at these 8 a.m. sales to see if that does get reported here today. But there is talks of that cancellation. So big picture down in South America, that crop stress that we had talked about should be limited to only about 10%. Of the production area, so we'll see. See if that does continue. But that weather, we've seen it so many times last week. We come in, looks good. When it comes in, it looks like we're getting rain. And then the midday forecast, they start taking that out as well. So pay attention to that here as we get closer to that 11 to 11:30 time frame. As far as corn is down about 2 cents right now. You've got wheat that's about unchanged, but corn pulling back. More producers selling is really what we're seeing. When you look at these funds and what these funds have done, they've been short corn, they've been short wheat. We're seeing some adjustments made by the managed funds. So on the CFTC report, or the Commitment of Traders report out last week, showing that managed funds have reduced their short position for corn by about 27,520 contracts. And then in wheat, they reduced their short position by 16,606 last week. So they are getting out of some of their short positions. We'll see if they do continue that, on these breaks. But we know that report a few weeks ago was a little friendly in corn. Whether or not you believe the numbers or not, that's what we have to go on. Probably going to find some support here at lower levels as far as corn, down below this 420 area for March. But on rallies, anything up above that 430 to 435, probably going to find resistance as well. Producers have a lot of corn out there that needs to be sold yet. It seems like they are selling on rallies, and that should cap any kind of strength that we may get over those areas. Not a lot to talk about for wheat. The only thing that's coming in here this morning is that Egypt has mentioned that they could be done buying wheat for the next few months. Egypt's one of our bigger buyers of wheat, and if they are now done with wheat, that's going to give that Middle Eastern area or at least that Black Sea region, a chance to harvest their crop, and they may be buying out of that. So it lessens our chance of making further sales if they are done buying here for the next few months. Now, bigger picture for wheat, there's a lot of wheat out there. We're not making a lot of sales right now. Globally, we are not tight for wheat, so not a concern. So we'll see. But as I mentioned, the CFTC or Commitment of Traders report that came out on Friday did show that the funds ended up decreasing their short position, so they bought back just over 16,000 contracts. As far as some of the outside markets today, crude oil up 23 cents, gold down $14 this morning, silver breaking back 56 cents. So the metals are falling. The dollar is up 12 cents, and stock futures are about 74 points higher this morning. As far as livestock, fat cattle probably going to open up here just a little higher. The bids are coming in about 10 to 20 higher right now. We got to watch the cash market. Cash trade stronger this week once again. This trend's going to continue. We saw a very strong week last week, but it was certainly led by that cash market. If we see stronger trade this week again, we're going to see more upside yet for cattle. Now hogs, different story. We know the cash market hasn't been rallying. We've seen it stabilize, but we haven't seen that turn back higher yet. In futures right now, we're sitting with quite a bit of a premium over that cash market. So that may end up coming back together yet, which could put a little pressure on the futures if we don't see the cash market turn higher as well. So keep that in mind here as we go through this week as far as hogs. We've got our conference coming up, guys. It's a week away. Great opportunity for you guys to take an in-depth look at 2014 season. Corn, beans, wheat, cattle, hogs. Also, we're going to get into weather. So we're going to give you guys an in-depth look and what you guys should be doing out there as producers and what to expect for the coming year. Get online. You can register right online, or you can give us a call. We'll be glad to get you registered there as well. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. Talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.